Hello friends, good morning to all of you, right? And I hope that you all will find at home, right, and work hard for a midterm examination. But today's video, right, help you a lot for examination preparation. So I titled this video, right, as a guideline for midterm examination. So that means all the questions or confusion how to prepare for the social science midterm paper, then all the doubtful concepts or all the doubtful clarification that I am going to provide in this video. Okay, generally in the regular classes, right, we discuss paper style before the examination. So the same thing that I am going to do here. Okay, we do have first question, that's MCQ, right? But before go in paper style, I would like to make you clear about the syllabus of this midterm examination. As you know that before COVID-19, we organized extra coaching classes for you people, and in that coaching classes we have completed chapter number 1, right, and we continue with chapter number 2. So during this video session, right, I have completed and try my best to keep the originality of teaching through the video session and completed chapter number 2. So one thing must be clear in your mind, right? So we do have a syllabus for midterm, right? So for midterm examination, right, we do have a chapter number 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2. So very basic thing to you people, right? Must be you keep in mind we do have a chapter number 1 and 2 for your midterm examination. Okay. Now we have first question, that's MCQ, right? So question number 1 is MCQ. So in MCQ you have means choose a correct answer, right, and answer the question. For that, one question contain 1 marks. Okay, so if you answer correctly or rightly, then you will get a 1 marks. So for that, from where you should prepare, right? As I told you in the regular classes and video session, right? Only textbook is the authentic publication for standard 10th board examination. If you see this year paper, right, then you come to know about such a thing that only and only textbook understanding help you a lot, right, to score 90 or above 90 or score good. Okay, Patel Hay, right, scored 94 marks in social science this year, but he was a regular summary writer, right, and understand our text, and whatever the concept he was unable to understand, he frequently discussed with me. So if you plan to score a good marks in social science, you must refer the textbook. That I also personally advise you, right? Don't trust on the digest, don't trust on the workbook, right? Don't trust on any of the private publication. Just trust on textbook. Okay. So for MCQ, right, read textbook. Right? Read textbook. But it's not a simple reading, right? Through simple reading you cannot prepare the MCQ. You must keep keep pencil in your hand, right? And whatever information you may understand that it's all about means important historical information, right? About time, about place, right? Then underline it. So that will help you a lot to score good marks in MCQ. Okay? So for MCQ, keep in mind important events, right? Important events. Important events, for example, I am going to give you an example, right? So in lesson number 1, we do have fairs and festivals, right? So you must keep in mind the means where the such kind of fairs organized, right? Suppose there is a Gir fair at Girnar, right? Then Bauchraji fair, right? So such kind of fairs are there, and places for that fair and tithis or time for that fair. So you must keep in mind fairs and festivals for this MCQ. Then people, right? People means we do have different tribes, right, arrived in India. So you must keep in mind their physical features, their route to migrate India, right? Important places at present they found, right? Such kind of things you keep in mind. Then second chapter is all about cultural means traditional handicraft and fine arts. So in traditional handicraft and fine arts, right, for lesson number 2, you must remember a dominant personality or dominant figure for that fine arts. Well-known books for that fine arts, right? Suppose we do have a music as a fine art. So we do have a Sangeet Makarand, Sangeet Paritab, such kind of books are there. So who are the writer of that book, right? Then how means which kind of information that would contain, right? Then from long which period of time this book came into existence. Such kind of information you must keep in mind for fine arts. So origin, dominant figure, then right, important person, then time period, such are the things that you keep in mind, right, for your MCQ preparation in chapter number 1. So I hope that you will all clear about MCQ, right? So for MCQ, right, keep pencil in your hand, right, read the book very carefully, underline information that I told to you, keep in mind or prepare a note of that one, right, and keep with you. And whenever you get the time, please refer it again and again. So that will help you a lot to score good marks in MCQ. Now we do have a short note, short question answer, right? Short question answer. So short question answer is all about short information, right? Within 4 to 5 lines, you have to answer the question, right? So 4 to 5 line question answer you must prepare from the textbook exercise, right? So textbook exercise will help you a lot. So this text exercise, so we all having a textbook, right? And at the end of the lesson there is a textbook exercise. So that textbook exercise will definitely help you, right, to get a good score in examination. I have analyzed the textbook exercise and prepare a short question answers for you people, right? And that question answer will definitely help you, right? If you practice at home, right? That question answer, then you will be very comfortable in writing midterm answers, okay, and get a good score in midterm examination. Now, short note, right? Short note is for if we talked about short notes, right? Let's start with the lesson number 1. Okay, so lesson number 1. We do have a cultural heritage, right? And 2 types of cultural heritage: natural culture and man-made culture, right? Then precautions or steps to preserve the cultural heritage. Then how we means keep our culture safe. Such are the topics that can be answered in a detail, right? So this kind of question asked in a detailed form or short note or in a short note, right? That will make you aware. So whenever you prepare for short note, right, keep in mind such a topics in lesson number 1. Which kind of topic? See, cultural heritage of India, right? Two types of cultural heritage: natural culture and man-made culture, right? Then preservation and conservation of cultural heritage, right? And how we can keep our awareness for our cultural heritage. So for lesson number 1, these are the important topics that can be asked in short note. Now, if we switch on this lesson number 2, then in lesson number 2, right, we do have a fine arts and fine arts and handicrafts. So if we talk about fine arts, right, then we do have a detailed fine arts is music and dance and drama. Music, dance and drama, right, are the fine arts that can be asked in a short note. Rest of the arts are very short. Suppose if we talk about leather, right, leather industry, or leather is a fine arts, then it contains very small information, so it cannot be asked in a short note. So keep in mind music, dance, drama, right, and such a thing, right, for detailed question answer. If we talk about handicrafts, right, so in handicraft, right, we do have a lots of handicrafts. Suppose a big work, then patola, pattern, right, lots, and then Kashmiri handicraft. So we do have a plenty of examples that can be in a handicraft. But this handicraft can be asked in a short question answer. Right? See the connection. If you go for preparation short question answer, keep in mind all handicrafts, and for short note, keep in mind such a arts. That will help you a lot. Now, math or detailed questions, right? So I thought that math is online exam. Math cannot be possible, right? So math cannot be possible because practically, right, you have to go to the market and purchase the map, right, and that will cause a very big risk to you people in this COVID influence. So I cancelled the map, right, and instead map I keep one detailed question having a 5 marks, right, and for that I literally tell you, right, for that practice the detailed question of the textbook exercise, right, of lesson number 1 and 2. So if you prepare a detailed question behind the textbook, right, there is a detailed portion, right, given in textbook exercise. So please prepare and practice all these question answers for to attain, right, question number 4 according to your blueprint. So these are your examination structure, and today's video I try my best to make you clear about, right, so model of the midterm examination. So if you have any question, then you can ring me, right, if you are still unclear or having a confusion, or WhatsApp the message, right, and ask me about certain clarification. I am ready to help you. Now, okay, so let's revise. Right? We do have a 4 question in your midterm. First is MCQ, second is short question answer, then third is short note, and fourth is map or detailed question, right? So it's not a question but a question. So MCQ, I told to you, right, go through chapter number 1 and 2, right, underline all the important information, then keep note of that information and refer it again and again. That will help you to score in this segment. Now short question answer, that as I told you, right, all the brief information given in your textbook in lesson number 1 and lesson number 2, keep in mind for short question answer. You can also help through textbook exercises, right? There are short questions in textbook exercise, right? So if you practice all those questions, then you will be also able to get a good score for short question answer section. Now short note, right? So as I told you, short note, right? There are 3 short notes in lesson number 1, that is natural culture and man-made culture and preservation and conservation of cultural heritage. Then all the fine arts, music, dance, drama, then dances, traditional dances of Gujarat, all these long and detailed topics can be asked in a short note, right? And then math or detailed question, right? All the detailed question at the backside exercise can be asked in this midterm examination. So practice it with the writing task, right? Or practice it with your writing skill and get a good score. Okay. So I hope that you will be all clear about your midterm examination. You may not have any confusion right now, right? But one thing is that, right, you know that as WHO announced frequently, right, the situation is going to be worse and worse and worse. But I pray to God, right, help us and recover it very soon. But practically it's not look possible. So it's almost uncertain that when and how we meet in the classroom. But I try my best to send you the best of mine. So do one favor, right? Whatever you write yourself, right? Because when you prepare yourself with your own writing skill, then in this uncertain COVID season, right, or in this uncertain COVID atmosphere, when and how government take or organize examination, in which form they organize examination is still, right, unpredictable. So my humble advice to you people is that please prepare all the question answers with a deep understanding. That only and only that skill will help you to ensure good marks in government SSC examination, right? So thank you very much, right, and take care, right, and prepare this midterm, right, by following my ideas and guidelines, right, and follow all the precautions and advice that is given by the government and private agencies for COVID-19. Take care, right? God bless you. Good health to your family. Thank you.